Hey guys, day number 2 of the NTI math work for 4th grade. I'm sure probably by now you guys are like, why is he wearing red stuff? But today was supposed to be open day for Reds. It's a sad day here in the tri-state for all of us that are Reds fans. But stay in the spirit, Ward. Hopefully this is over soon so we can get back to sports and school, obviously. I'm here with day 2 of the math work, and day 2 talks about lines of symmetry. So a line of symmetry is a line that crosses through a figure so that they figure can be folded along the line into matching parts. So essentially it's like if I took an arrow, I can draw this up here. If I took an arrow, please excuse me for my poor drawing skills. If I took that arrow and I wanted to be able to fold it in half, my line of symmetry is going to go right down the middle. Not perfect, but you get the idea. So that's what day 2 work is talking about, which this is kind of review for the students as they have been working on lines of symmetry. So as you can see from my example, I can take this arrow, I can fold this side over this, and it'd be flat, and it would just look like, if I was to fold it, that's what it would look like, just like that. Kind of like if you were folding a piece of paper in half. You did it right down the middle and folded it like a hot dog, or if you fold it like a hamburger, that's a line of symmetry. It's even. I can fold it evenly. That's what day 2 work is discussing. And so you have a notes page which looks like this that Ms. Chang included in there. It's a very helpful resource. It shows you the different ways of lines of symmetry. There's the arrow that I just showed. You have a double arrow where you could fold it either way. So you got 2 lines of symmetry there. You could either fold it down the middle and flip it, or come across the middle and flip it down. Same with, got 1 line of symmetry here, kind of like the arrow. Then right here you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines of symmetry. So with that notes page, which is a very helpful resource, then you come to your work for day 2. And so all day 2 says is tell whether each figure is a symmetric, then draw all lines of symmetry for each figure. So if something is symmetric, that means it has a line of symmetry. Majorities do have lines of symmetry, but some don't. So you would either just, you put underneath on that line there, yes, if it does have a line of symmetry, and then draw that line of symmetry. Or if it does not, you just put no. But most of these should have a line of symmetry. And remember, line of symmetry means I can take it and fold it evenly. And then the second part over there, it's kind of the same thing. Decide whether each shape is line symmetric. So that means it has a line of symmetry. I can fold it into an even part. And if so, you're going to draw the lines. So I think the students should have no problem with this one. If you do, obviously, I will be on the Zoom app. I'm on the Zoom app. I try to be on 3 times a day. 1 at 9 in the morning, once at noon, and then once at 6 in the evening for my students that can't get on during that time. I know Ms. Shang is on the Zoom app a lot. She uses the Remind app to let you guys know. If you guys haven't downloaded Zoom or Remind yet, please go do that now. I have videos that show you how to download those and also where to go to get those. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in day 3. See ya.